Hi, this is Victor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a Microsoft Word document in PDF format and how to convert a PDF document into editable Word documents. Remember to get more series of my tutorials. Thank you. Now back to our video. Open up your Word document. Once it's open, come to File, Tab. On the menu, scroll down and click on Save As. Choose the location to where you want to save your document. So I'll browse and say I'd like to save it on desktop. So my file name will remain this. I'll save as type. I'll change this one from Word document to PDF. So I'll come to this arrow pointing down, click and choose PDF. Then I'll save my file. The file is already converted to PDF. Now I can be able to, I'll close this one. I'll close my Word document and here it is converted to PDF. Then I will also like to show you how to convert this PDF document to Word so that you can edit it. I must be connected to the internet because I would like us to do it online. So I'll open my browser. I'll use Chrome, but you can use Mozilla, you can use Internet Explorer, you can use Safari or whichever browser you prefer. And once I open my browser, I'll come here and say I'm converting PDF to Word. Then I'll press Enter key. Do PDF to Word converter 100% free. This is a small PDF. You can choose PDF to document.com. You can choose PDF to word.com. Let's choose PDF to document, but you can choose whichever. So it's already selected here, PDF to document. I'll just come say upload file. So here I'll come here and choose my file on the desktop. You can type the name here, or you can scroll to search if you don't have much on your PDF and choose your PDF file here and open it. Once you open, it's uploaded, it's been converted. See, it's already finished, it's done. It was a very big file, so it's already done. So the next step is simply to download it. So I'll click on download here. Here it comes, it's getting downloaded, it's done already. So as simple as that. So I can open it here. By double clicking on it and enable editing, come to file and save it. Let me change its name just to do away with the confusion. I'll put it on desktop and I'll call it XYZ converted. I'll click on save. So if I close this and close the Chrome, I'll find my XYZ converted here from this to this. And initially it was from this. It was from this to this, from Word to PDF, then from PDF to Word. Thank you.